pen in my hand. The world is my slate for writing and erasing. What I write is unlike anyone else's, and what I erase is too. I tread the same earth, yet leave a different trace. The same night falls, yet another darkness grows inside me. The same wind blows, yet it howls differently in my blood. What different people create is different, and what they destroy is too. If I am different from everyone else, it is because my heart beats differently. My world is different. A different sun scorches my day. A different moon falls into my night. A different wave strikes the shore of my heart. A different thirst moves across my cracked lips, different from everyone else's. Because life is not made of a single color. Because truth does not look the same to every eye. If I am different from everyone else, it is because my heart beats differently. In my world, the sea is green, the sky does not have to be blue. In my world, colors do not fade, they flow into one another, yet they do not drown. Each color gives life to the next, yet does not lose itself. If I think differently, it is not out of mere stubbornness, but because even in the dark, I can see another truth. If I am different from everyone else, it is because my heart beats differently. Whose difference comes closer to the truth? Who decides that? The crowd, fear, dogma. The rejections of different people are different, their acceptance is too. Their truths are different, their lies as well. Their fires are different, their rains as well. Their loves are different, their partings too. Some turn to ash in silence. Some cry out their own name while burning. If I am different from everyone else, it is because my heart beats differently. There is a different hero inside me. One who does not kneel before the fear of the crowd. Inside me lives a different consciousness, a different tomorrow, in defiance of ignorance and the past. This is who I am. A human who cannot be contained within the herd's mirror, who does not bow before dogma, who does not run from their own fire, who does not turn back even when left alone, who does not fall silent even when wounded, who in the heart of darkness sets their own path ablaze. The free human, Azad.